I found you a TOMEI! Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you saw my last video, I was negatively not really negative, I was influenced to buy a TOMEI. So I bought a TOMEI. Well, I didn't buy it. I actually traded my old exhaust, the R400, for a TOMEI. We just straight up traded, and look at this thing. This TOMEI looks so good and it sounds super good. I actually angled it up, so it's not hanging too low, but I angled it up. We got the hanger hanging out the bottom as a result of that. But regardless, it sounds super nice. At first I really didn't even want a TOMEI, just because I thought it sounded kind of weird, like driving really like low RPMs. But now I just switched up my mind after making a video with Chris and seeing his TOMEI on the WRX. I had to get it. Oh my god! I need it! I really need a GoPro. I used to have a GoPro, but I sold it a while ago. But I really need it again just because I'm actually starting to get back into these videos a lot more. But I'll probably make that investment pretty soon. Alright guys, we got some walls here to echo off of. Let's see what this sounds like. Alright guys, different day, same video. We're out here at the same spot, and we're just gonna grab some more clips of the TOMEI for you guys. I know you guys have seen a little bit in the previous clip, but I'm gonna grab some more clips for you guys, and then we'll just, you know, that's me. Alright guys, I'm Andy driving my car now so I can hear the TOMEI, and it sounds so good from the outside. Oh my gosh. So actually from, oh shit, it zoomed in. From inside the cabin, the TOMEI, it's pretty quiet, but as you guys heard from the outside, it's actually super loud, and it just sounds so good. I actually love the whistle, but like, you know, after that video with Chris, it really grew on me. Oh, here comes Andy, here comes Andy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It sounds so good. I love it. And you can hear the turbo whistle, and you can hear the turbo flutter. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, thanks Chris for influencing. Well, I don't even know if I should even say thank you. I guess he badly influenced me to immediately get a TOMEI. Like I said, guys, it literally 2 days after I recorded the video with Chris, I went and got the TOMEI, and I actually got my TOMEI for free because I actually traded the NVIDIA R400 for the TOMEI. So yeah. I'm gonna get one, no cap. I never noticed how good my car looks from the outside. I thought my car always looks pretty plain. I'm actually doing some more things to it very soon, so those videos are gonna come out in the next week or two. I have a lot more things to do to this, but it actually looks really good. Can't wait to do a lot more stuff to this. So guys, if you don't know Andy, he's been in the videos a couple times, and actually this is his car. It's a Lexus i250, and if you guys don't know around back, this exhaust is actually my old DNA catback motoring exhaust for the WRX. If you're wondering how we actually got this to fit on an i250, it's because it doesn't fit. We actually just welded it. We actually went to a shop and had it welded and fitted to actually fit with the i250, and it actually looks super good because i250s don't make, or any aftermarket supplier, they don't make single exits for the i250. I mean, you might find one, might be super rare. We really done our research and haven't seen it. So we actually threw the DNA catback motoring exhaust onto the i250. It is a little bit more quieter because he does have some resonators, but he is going to cut that off, so it's going to sound super nice. But he is able to shoot a lot more flames with this exhaust. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, it's a car. Fuck.
shot hella flame. Oh!
Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for all the support recently. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and that is crazy, guys. I never thought that I would actually even get that far. But thanks for all the support, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I'm actually trying to just up the not really up the production. I'm just trying to up the more funnage and just the more friendship stuff. Like I honestly don't really mind the videos looking super good as long as we're having fun. You guys enjoy us having fun. That's how I want to make these videos forever. I'm not really gonna try to switch it up as long as I try to find something that I really like, which I'm finding them lately. So just enjoy it. Thank you guys. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, thank you for all the support, and roll the end credits.